Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. I haven't made a video about Katteb AI Writer since many months. So in this video I want to talk about it because I received an email in the last hours where they talk about a new feature. As you can see here, Humanize AI content by using Katteb terms. And they explain very briefly here in this email how this new option, this new feature works. And I want to show you how it works inside Katteb. But before, please take just 1 second and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, so you will not lose my future videos. Anyway, Katteb is still on AppSumo, so you still have the chance to purchase a lifetime deal. As you can see here, you have different plans from the lowest, $39, but you only have 15,000 words per month, and up to 10 codes. You can stack up to 10 codes and you can have 150,000 words per month with this highest plan. If you don't like limits, here on their site they also have an unlimited plan. It's monthly or yearly. And if you watch the price here and watch my old videos about Katteb, you see the price increased a lot. This was very cheap, and kudos to you if you purchased this plan when it was really cheap. Now it's slightly more expensive, but it's still good because you have unlimited words. This is the Katteb dashboard. I just want to point out some of the new features. For example, in these design sections, now you can generate 30 images every single day. This limit has increased. If I'm not wrong, it was 10 in the past. They have Katteb chat. Obviously, by using this chat, you will consume credits, but you can chat with Katteb the same as you do with other chat systems, with AI, and you have different chat modes by interacting with the internet and Google, with YouTube, with Amazon, with other URLs, and so on. I also see this new article pro writer here. As you can see, I have this new tag, and here you can watch, you can generate articles in offline mode, so you can shut down your browser if you want, and when ready the article will pop up, and some other options like endless outline to generate up to 10,000 words in one single blog. You can guide AI to use bullet points, tables, and so on. Maybe I will show you later how this works. I never tried it before, so it's interesting. But the new feature they are talking about in the email I received is this one, terms. Many of these AI writing tools now want to give you the chance to humanize content, to get rid of AI typical words. I already showed you something with ZimWriter, for example. It has a new feature, it's called Nuke AI Words. But even in other tools like SEO Writing AI or Agility Writer, you can do something similar. And now here in Katteb, you can add terms. I show you a quick example. Let's say you don't want your AI writing tool to write common words. Let's say in conclusion, one of the common words AI is writing, and this is the original term. I can click on these suggested terms, and Katteb will give me some alternatives. For example, overall, let's say I want to use this one as an alternative. I can add some more, let's say to sum up, and let's say at the end of the day. So you can create a list by using these suggested terms or by writing your own, and these are all alternatives to this in conclusion. This is just a quick example, so when you will write your articles, you will be able to use alternative terms to humanize the content a little bit, to not be too repetitive, or use common AI words. You also have some other options, enable case sensitive and so on. So I add this term, and as you can see, I have my in conclusion, alternatives here, and you can create how many terms you want. This was just to show you this new term feature. Let's read very quickly this email. They make this example: act fast to seize. This is a term you maybe don't want to use, and you can include some alternatives. Consider the commonly used term flexibility in fitness content. This is another example. You can switch it out for suppleness, a less common synonym that can refresh your language and make your content stand out. So I gave you this example with a common AI word, but really you can include whatever you want here. Maybe there are some terms in your niche that are really very specific and you prefer to use them instead of common words. This is how this works. Now I'm curious to take a look very quickly at this new Article Pro Writer version 3.1, and it's still in beta, so I don't really know if it's perfect, but let's pretend I want to write an article for new SEO tactics for 2024. I don't know if I want to use this internet. I will say yes, because maybe I need some fresh content. And remember, Katteb was one of the first tools to claim to be able to write fact-checked content with citations and so on. So let's use this internet style, and I click on Start. Now it's searching for title ideas. As you can see, I have different title ideas: new SEO tactics, this is my keyword, revolutionize your SEO game, fresh strategies for 2024, and so on. Let's use this one and suggest outline. Okay, so now I have an outline here. Obviously, if I want, I can edit, but for the sake of this example, let's say I like it. I can also include article guidelines here. So don't use fluff talking, go straight to the point, don't use common AI words. I have a tone of voice, let's use matter of fact. Point of view, let's use second person. I can also include SEO keywords. You can add up to 5 SEO keywords. I don't want to use them because I just made up this keyword. It's not really an SEO keyword, but let's just use these SEO tactics just to see if it will be included in this article. Word count, let's choose these 1400 to 1700s. You also have this option, don't exceed the word count. I will not use it because, as you can see, stop writing when the article hits the specific word count. So I fear that it will stop writing even if the article is not finished, so I will not use this one. Anyway, I just click continue, and now I have some other details to include. The AI model, I want to use GPT-4. I can choose what kind of internet data to use. I want to use detailed. Enable terms, this is the feature I showed you before. In this case, I will not use auto internal links, but you also have this possibility. You can include images. Let's see, you can use Google Images, Unsplash and Pexels. So let's skip this section, and also you can auto export to WordPress if you want. And now start writing. And as you can see here, if I want, I can also close this page and return whenever I like to find my finished article. Okay, it seems my article is ready, so let's take a look. And here it is. Now I'm in the Katteb Writer. As always, if you want, you can stop the video and read all this article by yourself while I scroll it. This is the introduction. Here is talking about voice search and visual search. I also have citations here from LinkedIn and from yourdigitalresource.com. Let's go here on these latest trends in SEO for 2024. It's talking about AI. Leveraging AI and automation is becoming essential for businesses to stay ahead, optimizing Google's SGE. It's also talking about parasite SEO, websites, piggyback. I don't really know what this is: online brand building, targeting zero volume keywords, authority link building, index cleaning, and again I have some citations from SEO Horizon and from backlinko.com. These are all high authority sources. Let's go down: enhancing user experience for SEO, and again optimizing website speed and performance, utilizing responsive design for SEO success, and here is talking about AI and machine learning. Again, how AI impacts SEO strategies, implementing machine learning for SEO optimization, content strategy for SEO success, creating compelling and relevant content, utilizing multimedia and interactive content. And then we have a section for off-page SEO techniques, link building strategies, and again here social media optimization for SEO benefits and conclusion. And as you can see, it's using to sum up. This was one of the alternative terms I gave in the terms section, so it's working. It's not using in conclusion in this case, but to sum up. It's something different. And we also have a summary of fresh SEO strategies and the future outlook for SEO advancements. In all these sections I have some citations, and obviously when you write something you can decide if you want to include these citations or not. So this is how this new AI Writer 3.1 Pro works in Katteb. It's not too bad, and these are the main new features you can find into this AI writing tool. Again, this writes fact-checked content by using SERP data. You can still find it on AppSumo. You can stack up to 10 codes if you want 150,000 words per month. You can also bring your own API key with the highest plans, I think from 3 codes and more. So if you want, you can connect your OpenAI API key and use it inside Katteb. You obviously can find the link in the description for this AppSumo lifetime deal, but you also can find the link to the official site where you can also choose this unlimited plan. Here you have unlimited words, so you don't have any limits. You can click on the link and watch for all these features. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about Katteb, you can watch one of my previous videos by clicking here. Thank you very much for watching until now, and I'll see you soon in the next video.